Okay, this is a follow-up to my hood latch issue. I put some zip ties, and the alignment is not super duper what I would love it with the zip ties, but it works. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate. I line this back up. You can't hear like a click, which I don't like, but it'll have to do. Anyways, you put that the end of that cable in that little slot, and then you put the cable through here. So right now it's a little loose, which I don't like, but I'm just gonna live with it. So I just opened a locked hood, and I'll try to open this here. Underneath here is that it opens, and there's a little latch. Hard to see it. And move that over here. It's gonna be difficult to do with one hand. I'm trying to. Okay. So this is my workaround solution. I just put some zip ties so that that cable is in that mechanism or a hook, and you can see where it's cracked on that white piece of plastic, that two pieces, but that black part is being held by two little zip ties. I think this will last a good while, but I'm probably going to buy a cable replacement anyways. It just sucks that it's pretty cheaply made, it seems like. Never had an issue. I used to have a Toyota Tacoma. Never had an issue with that as well. Anyways, hope this helps out somebody. Thanks, bye.